Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to have the ultimate chef salad. We have lettuce, ham, turkey, tomatoes, applewood bacon, celery, sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and of course boiled eggs. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Lay our lettuce at the bottom. So just spread your lettuce out like that. Then my turkey, I'll line that up nicely on one side. Grab some cheese, my sharp cheddar cheese. This would be a great lunch for you. Also a nice quick meal for your kids. And it's fun to make. I'm going to add some celery in the center here. You can add cucumbers if you like. I'm going to come back with some mozzarella cheese on the other side of that. And again, you can add as little or as much as you like. It's your salad, so decorate it the way you want to decorate it. On the other side, we're going to come with ham. Just going to line these up as I'm doing. I know this is a big salad, but I need it. I've been pigging out lately. Let's not forget our cherries. Nice colors for the salad. We're going to place our eggs on this side here. I'll have to make a video on how to make the perfect egg for you. Let's put this down here. Now we're just going to sprinkle some bacon on here. I did this bacon in the air fryer. And there we have an ultimate chef salad. How does that look to you guys? But I have a little bit more bacon left, so I may as well just sprinkle that on there. There you have it. Quick and easy, very simple to do. I'm using ranch dressing. If you want to use Italian dressing, you may do that as well. Normally I coat mine with both a ranch dressing and Italian. I think I probably will get some Italian dressing on here. Drizzle, drizzle. This is a little zesty Italian seasoning that why I keep on saying seasoning? Italian dressing. Well, I hope y'all like this salad. I'm gonna add some pepper. Y'all know I love me some pepper. Let's go ahead and dig in here, y'all. And dig right into the center of it. Now, normally if I was off camera, I'll just mix all this together, y'all. We're gonna try to do it the correct way and get a little bit of everything so we can get a good bite of it, okay? You cannot go wrong making a salad. That applewood bacon, y'all, is so delicious. And if you've never tried the zesty Italian dressing along with ranch, it really tastes good, y'all. I kid you not. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much for helping me reach my goal. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. So until then, bon appetit. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video upload.